Today we are going to make our second step in maths, which is about money and numbers, and it will be focusing on the foreign exchange and currency rates. So before we start the lesson, please get ready, because remember, writing is the best learning. This is our critical policy. So this is why get your red pen, blue pen and black pen. Today I couldn't find my pink highlighter. This is why I'm going to carry on with my blue pen and pink pen and red pen. So sometimes we need to do our colors. So for the question, for the examples, I'm going to use this table. So if you would like to prepare in advance, you can prepare yourself a table like this as well to use in your examples when you're practicing. So remember, when you go to abroad, you need to exchange your money to the currency of the country you visit. This is why practicing in such topic will help us a lot. So remember, first of all, for this given examples, the foreign currency, to calculate our foreign currency, we will need to multiply the British currency by the exchange rate. So, for example, Anna is going to Spain. So let's say she's going from London to Madrid. And she needs to change £200 to euros. She needs to change £200 to euros. So how many euros does she get? The question is, how many euros does she get? Okay, £1. Okay, let's check our table now. In our table, as we see, £1 equals, in European countries we use euros, so £1 equals 1.58 euros. So let's write this. So £1 equals 1.58 euros. We write this. So £200. So £200 times the currency rate, which is 1.58, will give us the answer. So 200 times 1.58, it should be 316. So Anna will get 316 euros. So I hope it helped a little bit. So remember, I have used from my table in the European countries euro rate, which is 1.58, to calculate my £200 in euros, 316. So one more question. So this now, Tim is going to Florida this right now. So let's say from London to Florida. So he saves £150. He saves £150 of his pocket money. And how many dollars will he get? How many dollars will he get? So please, before watching my further answer, please try to do it yourself for a moment. Stop the video and do it for yourself for a moment. Remember, I have my currency table here. Now I'm going to Florida. So which currency I need to check? United States dollars then. So 1.55. So I know £1 equals $1.55. So in that case, £150 should be 150 times exchange rate, which is 1.55. The answer then should be around 200 32.5. So Tim gets $232.5 when he saves £150 euros. So I hope this exchange rate will help you a little bit more. And in our second step, let's changing back to the British money. So if I want to change back to the British money, I need to divide by the exchange rate then. So British money should be equal, when I want to change back, foreign currency divided by exchange rate. So to change back to the British money, we need to divide by the exchange rate. For example, David returns from Switzerland. Let's get back from Switzerland with 55 Swiss franc. Okay, 55 Swiss franc we have in our hand. He changed the franc back to the British money. So at a rate of, remember, what is our Switzerland rate? Let's go back to our table, which is Switzerland is 2.32 Swiss franc. So what should I do? I need to note £1 would equal to 232 Swiss francs. So how much does he get back then? Question is, how much